In ancient Japan, the samurai were extremely powerful. They were warriors who followed a strict moral code and protected their loved ones to bring honor to their families. Their weapon of choice was the tapered samurai sword, which was so sharp that it could cut through a silk scarf gently dropped on its blade. We have recreated the iconic samurai sword, pocket-sized.
What does it mean to be tough? It isn't how you look or the way you act. Being tough comes from what you are made of. So when we say we've created the world's toughest everyday carry duffel, it's because the bag is built like a beast. It's guaranteed for life. Inspired by the duffel design millions of soldiers have brought with them to the battle since World War II. We simply took what worked and reimagined the materials and features to expand upon a solid foundation, giving our bag a modern update. The result is a sleek urban aesthetic which is stylish enough to bring to the office, but tough enough for any of your outdoor adventures. Street smart and trail-wise. The bag is made with some of the most durable materials on the planet. From its double-layer military-grade tarpaulin body, ceramic armor-plated super fabric bottom, heavy-duty handle, and adjustable padded shoulder strap, all the way down to the tiny details like mil-spec metal hardware and YKK zippers. Our duffel bag is the perfect size. Big enough to bring all your gym gear with you, or packing up for a weekend getaway. Not to mention, if you're headed on adventures across the globe, the bag fulfills all TSA carry-on requirements. To make this bag a reality, we need help from the Kickstarter community, so we can deliver you the last duffel bag you'll ever need to own.